Good morning students. Students, I hope all you are fine at your home. As you know, we are doing a second chapter, caring for our body. Okay. In the last lecture, we learned about how can we clean our hands and feet. Okay. So today we are going to discuss our next topic, dental care. Okay. It is clear with the name. We are talking about teeth. What is the function of the teeth? Teeth helps us to chew food completely. Okay. Chew food. Okay. With the help of teeth, we chew food completely. Okay. Students, if we don't clean our teeth, okay, अगर हम अपने टीथ को साफ नहीं करते, क्लीन नहीं करते, okay, then many harmful bacteria grow in our teeth. Okay, so students, you have to clean your teeth properly. Okay, students, next is plaque and cavity. Okay, do you know about this? Plaque and cavity. So first of all, tell me, do you know? Okay, so students, plaque is a colorless sticky food particle, bacteria, saliva present on our teeth. So what is plaque? It is a colorless sticky food particle. Okay, bacteria, saliva, lard, okay, present on our teeth. Okay, when we eat any food item, okay, then bacteria, this one, bacteria present in the plaque change the sugar present in the food into acid. Okay, see, when we eat the food item, okay, then sugar present in the food changes into the acid with the help of bacteria. Okay, and this acid, okay, this acid cause a hole or cavity. Okay, due to this acid, if we don't clean our teeth, okay, regularly, if we don't clean our teeth, then due to this acid, a hole or cavity create in our teeth. Okay, or we can lose our teeth also. Okay, if we don't care of our teeth. Okay, अगर हम अपने दांतों की देखभाल नहीं करते हैं, okay, so we can lose our teeth also. Okay, so with the time you have to clean your teeth. Okay, due to this acid, more time this acid is present in our teeth, then it can cause a hole or cavity. Okay, which is known as tooth decay. Okay, so how can we clean our teeth? Okay, first of all, eat healthy diet. Okay, you have to eat green leafy vegetables. Okay, tomato, okay, orange, okay, green vegetables like cabbage, okay, you have to eat healthy diet. Okay, so in this way you can protect your teeth, but don't eat ice cream. Okay, cold creams, cold drinks. Okay, you don't have to eat ice creams, cold drinks. Okay, junk food, you have to avoid junk food. Okay, cold drinks you have to avoid. Okay, eat healthy diet. Okay, so first of all, eat healthy diet. Second, clean your teeth with brush. Okay, you have to use brush. Okay, so brush twice in a day to clean your teeth. Okay, and you have to change your toothbrush also in every 3 months. Okay, every 3 months में आपने अपने टूथब्रश को भी चेंज करना है. Okay, and you have to take a toothpaste with fluoride present in it. Okay, जिसमें fluoride हो. Okay, which can reduce the production of this acid. Okay, जो इस एसिड को प्रोड्यूस करने से रोक सके. ओके, यू हैव टू चूज अ टूथपेस्ट विद फ्लोराइड प्रेजेंट इन इट. ओके, सो यू हैव टू ब्रश डेली टू क्लीन योर टीथ एट लीस्ट ट्वाइस इन अ डे. ओके, थर्ड स्टेप इज, फर्स्ट इज ईट हेल्दी डाइट. सेकेंड, brush your teeth twice in a day. Third is rinse your mouth. Okay, you have to clean your mouth with a water. Okay, with clean water. Okay, आपने पानी से अपने अच्छी तरह से मुंह को, अपने माउथ को क्लीन करना है. Okay, you have also clean your gums. Okay, so third step is rinse your mouth properly. Okay. Fourth, visit to a dentist. Okay, in every 6 month. Okay, तो आपने डेंटिस्ट के पास भी जाना है टू चेक योर टीथ, टू चेकअप योर टीथ्स. ओके, सो यू हैव टू विजिट अ डेंटिस्ट फॉर चेकअप योर टीथ. ओके, आपने अपने दांतों के चेकअप के लिए डेंटिस्ट के पास भी जाना है. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज फ्लॉस. Flossing can also help to protect our teeth. Okay, where our toothbrush can't go. Okay, जहां तक हमारा टूथब्रश नहीं जा सकता. Okay, you can floss. Okay, so with the help of flossing you can also protect your teeth. Okay, so this is about dental care. Okay, first of all, what is the function of teeth? With the help of teeth we chew our food completely. Okay, हम अपना food चबाते हैं. Okay, with the help of teeth, sharp teeth. Okay, and second is plaque and cavity. Okay, so plaque is a colorless sticky food particle, bacteria, saliva present on our teeth. Okay, when we eat any food item, then this bacteria, okay, change the sugar present in food into acid. Okay, due to this acid a hole create in our teeth. Okay, so which is known as tooth decay. हमारे जो टीथ है वो खराब होने लग जाते हैं. ओके, सो यू हैव टू क्लीन योर टीथ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ईट हेल्दी डाइट. आपने ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स खानी है. ओके, बट डोंट ईट जंक फूड. ओके, कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स. ओके, आइसक्रीम. ओके, सेकेंड, क्लीन योर टीथ with the help of brush. Okay, so brush twice in a day. Okay, and change your brush in every 3 months. Okay, अपने टूथब्रश को आपने चेंज करना है in every 3 months. Okay, third is rinse your mouth with clean water. Dentist, okay, you have to visit to a dentist for your checkup. And fifth, with the help of flossing, you can also clean your teeth. Okay, so students, overall we can say we can clean our body. Okay, we should clean our body to stay healthy. Okay, to stay fit, we have to do exercise also. Okay, so students, this is about your chapter caring for our body. Okay, कि हम अपनी बॉडी की केयर किस तरह से कर सकते हैं. Okay, I hope students you got it. Thank you.